Today we're changing a rear latch on a 96 Ford Explorer. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper procedure for removing a grab handle and any other cosmetic Alright, there you go. Alright, I'm going to continue moving on, taking off attachments that are on the door skin. So you can see we have a cover here. You're going to pop this cover off and inspect to see for any possible bolts. I'm going to go ahead and take my flat blade screwdriver and work between the cover and the door skin and pop it up. Just like so. Oop. Right there. You're going to go ahead and inspect in any kind of openings to see if there's any bolts. I have one more cover that goes on the power lock button. Right there. And as a matter of fact, we have a screw inside here that I'm going to need to take out. It's a Phillips. And right there. That is the proper service procedure for removing your grab handle and any possible fixtures holding your door skin to the door frame.